The top 3 things that I learned at World Orphan Drug Congress in Barcelona, Part 1. In one of the first sessions that was hosted by Chiesi, we discussed how patient burden is constantly evolving and how unmet needs are changing based on the products that are coming into the market. One of the things that I found most fascinating was really learning about how this patient burden is changing over time. It's not really sufficient to have one product per disease area that's available, but actually the more products we have, the more innovation we're able to bring, and we can then make sure that patients' health is constantly improving and not stuck at some baseline. One of the things that I found most fascinating pertaining to the Middle East is really thinking about how does this patient burden actually change depending on geography. A lot of the studies on a lot of the new innovations are done in the US and in Europe, and not always taking into consideration the burden of patients globally. In diseases such as sickle cell disease or thalassemia, where the patient volume in our region is particularly high, amongst of course many other rare diseases, it is important to take the local patient burden into account. We're seeing more moves in the industry to shift clinical trials to the Middle East. It needs to constantly improve so that patient burden at a global level, not just a European or US level, is being taken into account. There are ways that patients from the Middle East or other global markets can be incorporated in early as phase 2. And we need to do more research to understand what is the patient need, what are they actually suffering from, and how can we actually help them. If you're interested in managing patient burden or understanding patient unmet needs at a global level, follow me or subscribe for more.